Hi, in this quick video, I will show you how you can create an interactive report as shown in the background connected to your own database with a minimal setup. So if you see this report, this is Cloud Desktop. I just asked, can you create a report with charts and forecasts for the year 2023 sales data? Even I didn't mention data, just sales. So this is connected to a backend SQLite database, demo database, using a MCP server. So now you can see this. It creates a beautiful chart with interactive animations. Like you can see that with charts and pie charts, sales by product and top 5 products by sales. So all these things created without any extra prompting or any other just leveraging MCP as a backend, only one MCP server, and then connected to the database. So let us see step by step how we can implement this. So here you can see Cloud Desktop open, and I have connected MCP server which is up and running. That MCP server is connected to SQLite database, which has the tools. Okay, so now you can see these are the tools which is there in the database. So apart from the forecast, these are the tools available for that particular SQLite MCP server. When I ask a question or a query in this chat window, this is actually a host with the client. So now Cloud Desktop acts as a host with client for MCP server, and then this will be connected to a MCP server, which will fetch the data from the local database and then prepare the reports. So now if you want to know more about the MCP server, I created a video. I will give a link to that video. You can go in detail what's actually MCP server. Now you can integrate different MCP servers, but in this I will give you a quick demo how you can set up for SQLite DB. So here if you go to the settings, so just go to the settings here in the cloud. So go to file and then settings, go to developer, and then I added two MCP servers here. One is weather and the other one is SQLite. You can go to edit config. I will show you in a moment how it looks like. So this is the config file for actually I have two MCP servers, one for weather forecast, the another for SQLite. So SQLite, these are the arguments you have to give. So the directory where it resides, and then the actual code of that MCP server, and then the DB path. So where actually you have the database file. So in this case, I have SQLite database file. It's Northwind database. So I will share the both the configuration as well as the DB file, so that you can play around with it. So now this is a simple JSON file where you can have the settings in Cloud, and then if you go to Cloud, so now we are in Cloud. This is Cloud Desktop. So I'm asking a simple question: can you create a report with charts and forecasts for the year 2023 sales data? So it is going to use our MCP server, and then the MCP server as a set of tools. So it connect to the MCP server and get the tools required to complete the task. Let us see how it does. So we need to give permission to access the tools via MCP server. It goes and queries the table with the given tools. So it's gathering required data. So these are the actual data from our database connected to a MCP server. So based upon that factual data only, it is going to create the report. it goes for a detailed report. So there are different MCP servers available if you want to explore in a GitHub repo. I will share the repo of the different servers, which is given by Anthropic itself. So you can use the straight away like from the repo, or you can modify it as per your needs. So now it's creating an artifact. So now if you can see, okay. It's creating a detailed report. So this will be very useful. For example, it does most of the job what a business analyst can do. Only thing is that you need to connect proper MCP server. That means proper resources and tools you need to expose it, so that it will get the correct context in order to prepare the report. So now in order to prepare interactive report, it is creating a React app. Let us see. This is this code it is running, and then finally it has to show the preview, like how it looks. So this is a plain vanilla script which I copied from that GitHub repo, and I didn't do any other prompting or any other tweaks in order to get this output. Further we can modify, like if you want to create in a proper template way, or a specified template way, you can also give those templates such that it will fit to that template, or it will create the report based upon the given templates, so that it will follow your yeah. So now it's nice and neat. You can see this very interactive. So it is not a static, it is interactive dashboard. A kind of dashboard, it's not actually a dashboard, kind of dashboard with pie charts. So all these things like can be done, and also we can as I said before, we can have a template of the report, how it has to be prepared, and that can be embedded into the MCP server, so such that it will follow those set of rules, and then create yeah, a neat and nice looking report. Hope you will find value in this video. And also I forgot to say that you can publish this report. So you can publish it, and you can share the link so that you can share with your colleagues and teammates. Thank you.